Welcome grade 1 students. Welcome in your science lesson. Which lesson? Science class. Correct. We are doing science today. Now, what did you do in science lesson yesterday? Can you recall that? What was the topic that you have done in science yesterday? Yes? Yes, you learned about stars. Very good. We did about stars in science lesson, right? Okay. So were you all able to do the homework related to that topic? Yes? Great. Very good. Now, before starting the lesson, I want to show you some pictures. There are two pictures. I will show you side by side, and then we are going to discuss what is our topic, what is today's topic. Okay? Are you all ready? Yes? Okay. Now, can you all see this picture of mine? It's very tiny. I hope you can see the picture. This is a picture. You can see sky over there. What else you can see in the on the sky? Tiny, tiny, shiny things. What are those called? Correct. Those are the stars. So, what do you think? What time is shown in this picture? What do you think? What time is shown in this picture? It is the night time. Very good. It is the night time. You can see stars, you can see moon, you can see clouds, right? But it is a nighttime picture. Very good. Now let's move on. I'm going to show you another picture and then you will tell me what that picture is about. There you go. Can you see my screen? What do you think this picture is about? What time is shown in this picture? It's a daytime. Very good, class. It's a daytime. And what can you see in daytime? You can see a sun is shining there. You can see how bright everything is looking, right? You can see clouds over there, right? So these were actually the two pictures which I have shown you. So that means what today's topic is day and day and night. This is our topic. Now, you are going to tell me some of the things that are different and similar in these two times, day and night. What happens in daytime? What do you people do? You go to school, very good. You play outside, very good. And what do you see outside when you go out of your houses at daytime? You will see the sun, right? Like the picture I have shown you. You can see the sun shining over there. You can see how beautiful the ground was looking because everything was very clear. Why the things were clear? Because of the sunlight and that's how the sun was shining and on the ground, on the field, right? So this is what you see at daytime. You can see the sun very clearly. You can see birds flying in the air, birds sitting on their trees having a party, right? You can see different children playing in the ground. This is what you can see at daytime, right? And you go to school, you go for shopping, you go to have some food and something like that, right? And what happens at night time? What do you see at night? As you have seen in the picture, you can see the stars at night. You can see the moon, the shine of the moon, the light of the moon. But is the light very bright? The moonlight is very bright? No, it's not as bright as the sunlight. Okay, moonlight is not as bright as the sunlight, so you can see the moonlight also at night time. What else do you see when you go outside, when you go out of your houses? On the streets you can see the birds flying in the air, flying or sitting on the trees and having a party at night time? No, because all the animals, they sleep at that time. They don't have all these activities which they do in the daytime, right? So birds usually they are sleeping on the trees or wherever they are. Animals are sleeping. And on the road, sometimes you can see the car lights also. Yes, you can see the lights of your cars, or when the cars are going on the road, right? So do you think that at night time you will see the people running here and there like usually you do it at daytime? Is that do you think it happens over there? No, because nighttime. So that means that the activities which are at daytime, they are different from nighttime. Yes or no? So both these day and night, they are different from one another, and so are our activities. They are all different from one another, right? Daytime is different from nighttime, right? Okay, now let's watch a video. I'm going to show you a video again. It's related to your topic, and again, it's whose video is this? This is our Edward video. Now do go on the website and watch that video again. Like that video so that is going to be safe for you and you can watch it later on. Okay, now do watch the video clearly and pay attention to it. I might ask you questions about that. Okay, are you all ready to watch the video? Okay, children, there you go. Can you all see it on my screen? Yes, all right, there you
Hello kids, let's look here. It's the daytime. What do we do in the daytime and what do we see in the daytime? The sun is out. It's all light around. We can play. And there are a lot of activities with the birds flying. And then there's the night time where we can see the moon up in the sky and a lot of stars and darkness and different colors of the sky. That's called the night time.
All right. So that means what you have seen here was about the daytime and nighttime, how the activities are different from one another. Yeah, right? You can have a picnic over there, right? At nighttime. You might have picnic at nighttime, right? You might go for a ride at night at daytime. Yes, children, at daytime you might go for some kind of picnic. So you go near the beach or some at the farmhouse to have a party over there. But can you go for a party, this type of a picnic at nighttime? No, you cannot go near the beach at nighttime because most of the beaches they are not open at that time, right? So these activities are different. We have different activities at daytime. We have different activities at nighttime. You can have picnic in daytime. You can go to the farmhouses. You can go for horse riding. You can go for other different sports, like you can play cricket at daytime. You can play hockey, football, or any other tennis, squash, any other game you can play at daytime. But whereas at nighttime, the activities which we have at nighttime, they are totally different from one another, right? Like how can you enjoy at nighttime? You can have indoor games at nighttime. You can play with your friends at your houses, right? You can have different PlayStation games. You can play on your laptop, on your computers, right? Or you can have some other indoor games with your cousins. If your cousins are around, you can have a party at your place, right? But again, it would be inside your houses. You might go out, like to have some food or to watch a movie or something like that at night time. But other than that, mostly the activities which you enjoy are mostly at daytime, not at nighttime. Nighttime, it's mostly totally indoor, right? Okay, so that means day and night concepts are totally different from one another. The day and night, you can say activities, they are also different from one another. We'll be doing these activities in detail later on in this class, but right now, till here, we were supposed to do the task, right? So what is your task actually? Your task is that you have to draw two pictures totally different from one another. One picture would be of daytime, showing a daytime clearly, and the second picture would be of nighttime. But remember that these two pictures would be totally different from one another. And you might write one sentence about these two pictures. One sentence of daytime, one sentence of nighttime to describe your picture. Okay, now I'm going to ask you to describe your pictures in the wrap up session. So I'm going to give you 10 minutes time since it's drawing and writing. Okay, so your time starts now. Time is up, class. Time is up. Show me your drawing. Wow, that's great, Amir. Very good, Arya. Very good, Neha. Now you have drawn. Now the time is for wrapping up, right? So I want you to read out what you have written in front of the class so that I can understand. I will know that whether you understood the concept or not. Okay, Amir, yes. Can you describe your picture? You have drawn a nighttime, okay, also, and you have shown, what have you shown at nighttime? You have drawn a picture of a house in which different people are sleeping. Very good. And what about daytime? You have shown how the people are coming out from their houses and they are playing. Wow, that's very good, Amir. I'm so happy for you. Now see how clearly the difference shows. At daytime they are playing outside, whereas at night time they are sleeping. Good job, very good. Yes, Alia, what you have done? Can you explain that, please? Very good. You have shown birds sitting on the tree. Birds are also in the sky. They are flying in the sky. That means they are enjoying at daytime. What about nighttime? Very good. Birds are sleeping on the tree, and there no one is there outside on the in the sky except for the moon and the stars. Well done, my class. Very good. I'm so happy for you. That means that you know the difference between daytime and nighttime. What is the different activities that we do at daytime and what are the different activities that we do at nighttime. So the difference is very clear through your drawings, also through what you have drawn. You have also described it in front of the class. That's very good. Okay, so I hope you must have enjoyed the class, right? So do your homework, which I'll be posting on portal. It would be about your book page. And if you don't understand anything, just leave that. Although it's very easy, you will not have any problem. But if in case you don't understand, don't do it. Okay? And do remember to watch the Edward videos. Okay, the same video you can watch it again and like that video. So, okay, children. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day.